My name is Elisa. Let's go.
Hi guys, I'm going to open my fish extender gifts. Let's see what's this. It's mini ears. It's Baby Yoda. Say hello. Hello. I'm gonna put him with my babies over here. Stay there, Baby Yoda. Okay.
Happy.
Let's open. What's this? It's a Mickey Tsum Tsum bag. I think it's a wallet or a bag.
Nice.
What's this? It's a Avengers. Good. It's an Iron Man. Iron Man. It's Black Panther, my favorite Avenger. It's also like the Iron Man one.
Nice.
It's stickers. It's stickers. This is a rosette. It's Baymax. And then there's another rosette. And it's alien. And it's an alien. It's another rosette. It's another rosette. And it's Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And then they made another rosette. It's Black Panther. Let's do the next one. I'll get a random one. Oh, it's in kitchen mitten. This is a Mickey Mouse kitchen mitten. I'll put it over here. It's a alien echo bag. Ooh. Oh, it's a foldable bag like the one earlier. It's also alien. I have another one. I already have two, I think. This is the third one. I have a lot of those Mickey hands. Oh, it's Lion King. It's a Lion King. It's a Lion King envelope. Nice. It's a card. It's another foldable echo bag. It's alien socks. Ooh, what's this? Hello, Baymax. It's a Baymax wallet. Ooh, I like this. It's a Mickey Mouse key. Mickey Mouse. I can open the doors now.
Yeah! I hold him up.
This is the last one. It's a protective case. It's mobile phone accessories protective case. It's pencils. It's Spider-Man pencils. It's another wallet of Minnie and Mickey. I have another Minnie ears. I have two now. One that's glittery and one that's just normal.
Nice!
Oh, it's a Donald Duck. Mommy, what's this called?
A hair clip.
It's a Donald Duck hair clip. Oh, it's a Spider-Man lanyard. Spider-Man. Oh, it has this.
Wow, it's nice.
I will use this for school na, Mommy. I will not use na the Harry Potter. Every year, different lanyard. What's this lanyard? Oh, it's the sea lanyard. It also has one. It came with 2 stickers.
Wow!
I'm going to show you all the gifts that I got from Pixie Dusting. Bye!
Six and a half hours later.
On our last night, we had our final dining rotation at Hollywood Spotlight Restaurant. It was the perfect way to end our Disney adventure, enjoying a delicious meal while taking in the lively atmosphere. One of the highlights was the live performance, which made the experience even more entertaining. We also loved seeing Disney characters stop by our table and interact with every family dining there, creating magical moments and unforgettable memories for everyone.
Oh, so pretty! Love you, Daisy! Love you! Mickey! Love you!
Okay. Thank you po, boss.
After dinner, we made our way to Deck 17 for the Lion King fireworks show. We unexpectedly ran into Goofy. It was such a fun surprise.
Kita sa kwarto natin. Oh. Wala sa kwarto na lang tayo. Tanaw na tanaw nga sa kwarto.
Watching the fireworks light up the night sky was the perfect ending to an amazing Disney adventure.
Thank you for joining us for this spectacular. Please be sure to take small children by the hand and watch your step as you continue your magical voyage.
Hi guys, we're going back to the Philippines. Let's go. I want to stay here. Ride the iron cycle bullet.